And so question 15, kind of a word problem. Oh, everybody hates word problems. Geometry word problems is kind of always the same steps, right? First thing you want to do after you read through the question and kind of digest it, try to draw a picture. So you have a rectangular pasture. So it looks something like this. So we know a couple of pieces of information. The first is that it must be 84 feet long. So this is going to be 84 feet. The goal of the question is to determine the total area that this takes up. So knowing where we want to get to is one of the most important things in problem solving. I want to find the area of a rectangle. So I know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. So what else do I know? I know the length is 84. So right now it's 84 times whatever this width is going to be. So in order to figure this area out, I have to somehow, some way be able to figure out the width. There has to be some other piece of information that we're given. So in this question, obviously it's this right here. We know that the perimeter, or putting up 220 feet of fence, is going to enclose this pasture. As I kind of mentioned, if you're putting fence up right here, you're putting it along the outside of the shape. That's a perimeter question. So let's see what we know. I have an 84. I have another 84. I have a width here that I don't know, and I have a width there that I don't know. To find the perimeter of any shape, we know the perimeter is equal to the sum of all of the lengths. I have an 84. I have another 84. I have a width. I have a width. I know that the total perimeter must be 220. And so 84 and 84 is 168. Width plus width. Be careful again, right? So I have one width and another width. I have two widths. We don't get like a width squared or anything. We have a relatively simple algebraic equation. Subtract 168. We're going to get 220 minus 68. This is going to be 52. 52 equals 2 times W. 2 times W, undo the 2 by division. 52 over 2 is 26. So we know that this width is 26 feet. All right, so now that we know the width, right, we figured out our goal, right? So we want to find the width, we found it. So last thing to do is just 84 times 26. I could just show off with all my mental math skills, but I'm just going to do it in here. 84 times 26 is 2,184. And our units were feet. So feet times feet is going to be feet squared. So that would be the total area of this rectangular pasture.